This is coming from the Philippine news agency. The AH-1Z Viper and AH-64E Apache Guardian, a U.S. offer, are willing to be evaluated by the Department of National Defense. DND Secretary Delfin Lorenzana said they will also determine if the U.S. offered attack helicopters are brand new or another old equipment. The DND Secretary said, "We will study the U.S. offer. Maybe these are another used helicopters once again." On April 30, 2020, the U.S. State Department issued a determination approving a possible foreign military sale to the Philippines of 6 AH-1Z attack helicopters and related equipment for an estimated cost of $450 million. And 6 AH-64E Apache attack helicopters and related equipment for an estimated cost of $1.5 billion. However, the DND Secretary said the Philippine Air Force is more interested in acquiring T-129 choppers from Turkish Aerospace Industries for its attack helicopter program, which has a budget of around 12 to 13 billion pesos for around 6 units of it.